South African poet and activist Ntsiki Mazwai has sparked a widespread debate after calling out local journalists for what she describes as unequal and insensitive reporting, especially when it comes to black victims, saying it is disturbing that one will never find the dead body of a white person, a colored person, or an Indian person being circulated and speculated about on social media in the same way, yet tragedy strikes black families, images of their children and loved ones a trend openly online, shared for clicks and engagement with no regard for dignity or the pain of those left behind.
Good morning, guys. This morning I am deeply disturbed at the level of ground rock bottom pits that our journalism has come to. But because black people are animals, they are dogs, they are something, you will see their children wrangled bodies in the media. Journalists, you are disgusting. You are disgusting. You've reached a disgusting level where you don't know when to step in. Your deep disrespect of grieving families is highly disturbing. Your white editorial teams that make you go out there and use black pain as content are just as disgusting as you are. So this morning, I just want to tell all the journalists who are busy taking pictures at the Vaal accident that you are disgusting. Nikhohlakele, guys. You are the pits, bottom of the barrel, South African journalists. Nyanyanyisa.
This is a pattern, she says, dehumanizes black people and treats their sufferings as a public property before directly challenging South African journalists and media houses to reflect on their ethics and reporting standards and urging them to do right by showing humanity and protecting the dignity of victims regardless of race. Comments that have since divided social media, with some praising her for speaking an uncomfortable truth, while others argue the issue reflects a broader problems within sensational journalism and digital media culture.